Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farida Tisnawati. I'm from Pharmacy of Unisula. Today, I'll discuss about bioplacenta. The main point I'll be talking about today are firstly, bioplacenta extract. Second, indication. Third, contraindication. Fourth, dosage. You feel free to interrupt me if you have any question. Let's begin with bioplacenta extract. Bioplacenta extract. Placenta extract is a substance removed from a placenta of certain mammals, including human. Some experts believe this substance has a number of health benefits. Some studies show that this extract can possibly relieve menopause symptoms. So that concludes our placenta extract. Now let's move on to indication. Indication is something or such a sign or signal that point out or show something. Indication the bioplacenta is burn, infected wounds, scars, and skin. A burn is type of injury to flesh or skin caused by heat, electricity, chemical friction, or radiation. Superficial or first degree burns. So conclude indication. Now let's move on to contraindication. Contraindication is a specific situation in which a drug, procedure, or surgery should not be used because it might be harmful to the patient. Contraindication of bioplacenta is hypersensitive, perforate, eardrum, special percussion, excessive skin damage. That's conclude of contraindication. Now let's move on to dosage. Dosage is the amount of a medicine, drug, or vitamin that should be taken one time or regularly during a period of time. The dosage of bioplacenta is applied 4 to 6 times daily. That's my presentation today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.